We raise serious concerns about the way the Law on the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Amendment Act and the Land Amendment Act number 21 of 2025 were crafted and enacted in a hurry. Kenyans have raised substantial concerns about the amendments which were signed into law. We strongly recommend a necessary review lest they be abused to curtail the very freedom they ought to protect. Meaningful public participation would be necessary. The fears Kenyans have expressed regarding these new laws should not be brushed off. They deserve to be listened to and, where necessary, corrective measures taken. Specifically, it seems that the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Amendment Act can be abused to silence government critics, to abuse the rights to privacy, or even to manipulate the electoral process. We have always called on the public, especially the youth, to use civil language when raising concerns online. Nevertheless, they should not be intimidated from expressing themselves as active citizens interested in their country's affairs. Without careful and meaningful public participation, laws will be counterproductive, eroding public trust in the government. We recommend that the offending clauses be expunged and that specifically be provided on who the law targets. This would instill in the public an awareness that the law is meant to protect and expand their rights, enhance public order, and not to injure their freedoms. The same